Hey, how are you? So today we are going to be taking down this play set. My daughter's quite a bit older now. She's in college. I seriously doubt she's going to be going down this slide, and it's starting to get a little bit dilapidated. And lately we've been just using it for a target holder for target practice. So we're going to get this thing out of here and get my lawn back. Well, that was easy. It's worked out pretty good to be able to get rid of this slide, but there's lots to be done. So let's get back after it. That made easy work of that, didn't it? Well, if I thought I'd be cutting most of this down with a pole saw, yeah, I would have been crazy. I would have never thought. Fun, fun, fun. This buzz saw's been effective. Big time. Effective, effective. I used to use this as a pull-up bar. Just not gonna have the right size, am I? Here we go. Last piece. Alright, so that went pretty well. Took me just a few minutes. Pole saw made fast work of this. So that's our 4th of July bonfire waiting to go. So we'll enjoy that. The ground is raised a little bit there. We used to put a little garden in there, so I'm gonna take something to kind of level that out a little bit. So let's do that. Like that. All right, so we're running into a little jam here. Our cable is really wrapped up weird, and I don't know if I even realized it before, but yeah, we need to fix that up a little bit. So I'm gonna have to hook that to something in order to kind of give myself tension to it so it goes in correctly. Really, it's a two-person job, but somebody's still sleeping. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna attach this to the front of my truck and see if we can get this all straightened back out the way it's supposed to be. This is not good. You can see we have a lot of like pulled cable in the wrong spot. Just gonna connect to my winch. That's a slow go, but it's definitely going to make it better. All right, so you can see we got that straightened out. Oh, it's not really that great after all, is it? Oh boy, this thing doesn't really like to wind up very good. So let's get this disconnected. Disconnected where it needs to go. Well, we're getting that burned down at this point. So we're down to our last little bit. And it's a bittersweet moment. You know, my daughter played on this gym for some long time. But, you know, we're moving on. And maybe someday we'll be building a new gym. We'll certainly see about that. But this is what's left of the fire. And I want to really appreciate you guys watching. And please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. See you on the next one.